A few days ago, we recently set up the labels for a product that is weighed, and the label vending machine issues a label. This is very typical in the case of this type of scales, which prints a label, and on that label, the weight of the product is configured. I have printed those examples of fruit and lettuce labels. Therefore, we will see how to configure the barcode in Odoo and how it is then charged at the point of sale. We will start by setting up the barcodes. First, we will activate developer mode. Let's go to Settings, General Settings, Activate Developer Mode, Control K Nomen, SOS EOS, Barcode Nomenclature. This menu is here, Nomenclature Settings. Let's open this. We will work with this weight. We can even change the name to Weight Product 3. It has to be the EN13 coding. And this is the barcode pattern. We will explain it at the end. We will put a little dot here. We will explain it now. We will save it for now. This code pattern consists of the following. The nomenclature, which is 21, indicates to Odoo that this is a product weight rule. These dots are the internal sequence of the 5-digit product tensor. The following code within these parentheses or brackets is US and NN for integers. We will see that shortly. And D for digits. This part here will be left blank because this code will be printed by the scale according to the weight. Therefore, this is for integers. For example, if it were 11 kilo, we would put 11, and it would be 11 kilo 535, 11 kilo and 535 gram. In other words, 11 kilo and 535 gram. The code would look like this. We are going to leave it at 0 because it has to be 0, and the dot here represents any code, meaning any digit in reality, because the barcode must include a control code or a check digit. We will explain it step by step so that it is understood. So in Odoo, the product barcodes will have this format. I will leave this document in the video description. It has 2 tabs and 3 links that I will also leave in the description, along with this barcode. This code is formed. This is a usend.